Most people get this wrong when it comes to trivia apps that pay cash. They think answering questions automatically means easy money will show up instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only a few trivia apps actually pay consistently, and most rewards are small, competitive, or tied to ads and sponsorship systems. In this video you'll learn the top 5 trivia apps that really pay cash in 2026, how they work, and what you need to avoid so you don't waste your time chasing fake earnings. Let's get straight into it. First is Swagbucks Live. This is one of the most popular live trivia platforms. You answer timed questions in real competitions. If you stay until the end and score high, you earn shared rewards. But here's the catch. You're competing against thousands of players, so consistency matters more than luck. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second app is Cash Show-style trivia games. These apps run scheduled live quizzes where winners split cash prizes. A player named Alex from Chicago joined evening games and slowly built small but real payouts over time, just by being consistent. Third is HQ, trivia-inspired apps. While the original HQ faded, many similar versions still exist in 2026. These apps reward correct answers in live sessions. The payouts can be higher, but competition is also much stronger, especially during peak hours. Fourth is Rewarded Play trivia sections inside gaming reward apps. These platforms don't always focus only on trivia, but they include quiz-based tasks. You earn points for participation, and later, convert them into gift cards. Jake, a college student, used this method during breaks and cashed out small but steady rewards. Fifth is Brain Battle or similar educational trivia apps. These are more skill-based and sometimes tied to sponsor campaigns. The rewards vary depending on region and active events. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They expect daily payouts. But these apps often run limited-time tournaments. Now let's be honest. None of these apps will replace a job or create serious income. The real value is entertainment combined with small rewards. If you treat them like a side activity, they can be fun and occasionally rewarding. Also, availability depends heavily on your country and app store region, so always check before investing your time. So here's the simple takeaway. If you want guaranteed income, trivia apps are not the solution. But if you enjoy quizzes and want small cash rewards while playing, these are the most reliable options in 2026. If this helped, hit like, comment which app you want reviewed next, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of money-making apps that actually save you time.